Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it's cold out. Christmas is coming so fast and I know everybody's busy, but I did want to remind you about the upcoming CCC that Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I do every other month or so. But this time you're not judging us, we're judging you. What we'd like for you to do is show us your dolls. If you have a Christmas doll or a Santa collection, something like that, show it on your channel. It's called Christmas Characters. And you can do anything from a party girl in a silly outfit with a bell on her hat, anything at all. Santa, just dress your dolls for a elegant Christmas party. It doesn't matter. We'd just love it if you join in. Tammy and I are going to pick a winner, our favorite, and then we're going to show that on each of our channels with a link to your channel. We'd like for you to upload those videos anytime during the day, December 17th. Please use the hashtag, and then we will also ask you to leave a note in the comments below that you have a video up, so we do not miss seeing anyone's video. We are really anxious to see what y'all come up with because it's a lot of fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.